Hi everyone, I'm Camilla from Sunway Admission. We have had presenting US universities for the last 16 years, and our purpose is to assist students with the information they need. Today we have a very special guest from Northeastern University of Illinois, Mr. Ken Nicholson, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Northeastern University of Illinois, Chicago. So thank you for being here with us today.
Thank you.
And first of all, I would like just to say hi to everyone and thank you for watching us. We are going to just go straight to the questions and answer all the doubts students might have concerning the programs. So first of all, as a starter, could you give us just an overall feel for the people who are watching us? Why would a student choose Bachelor or Master of Science in Chemistry?
Well, again, I'm Ken Nicholson, and I'm very happy to be here. And I'm the Associate Professor and Chair of the Department of Chemistry at Northeastern Illinois University, as Camila just stated. And why would you choose a bachelor's or a master's? So I'm going to start with the bachelor's. A bachelor's degree in chemistry provides a lot of the basic skills for science. Chemistry, sometimes people call it the central science. So you get a little bit of biology, you get a little bit of physics, and you get a whole lot of chemistry, kind of sitting in between biology and physics. And so people choose a bachelor's in chemistry because it prepares them for careers in industry and maybe in government. Industry like pharmaceutical industry, plastics industry, government jobs like environmental agencies, safety regulation industries, and so on and so forth. A master's degree in chemistry gives an extra boost to the bachelor's degree. It gives another 30 credits to get the master's degree. And so basically you will have the opportunity to specialize in a particular area in chemistry. So there are several different areas such as like analytical chemistry, separations, organic chemistry, pharmacy. So you spend that time specializing on that type of idea or whatever. Okay.
Perfect.
And so that's why one would choose a master's in chemistry.
Yeah, that's very interesting. And since you were just talking about credits, the difference between bachelor and master, that's very important for students to know when they plan for their college classes and their programs. Could you just specify one more time how many credits are specifically in bachelor and master? In master is at 30, correct?
Yes, for a bachelor's in chemistry, there will be a minimum of 120 credits for a bachelor's in science and chemistry.
Okay.
And for the master's degree, there will be 30 credits.
Okay, perfect.
And so one would need to come with a bachelor's degree in chemistry to be admitted into the graduate college for the master's degree.
Okay. And we know that among all the opportunities Northeastern University offers, you guys have different programs that the students can enroll in. And with that said, is the Bachelor of Science in Chemistry or Master's in Science in Chemistry a program of STEM?
Yes, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Chemistry is one of those STEM disciplines.
Okay, perfect. So on top of all of that, it is known that universities in the United States are very popular around the world, and a lot of international students dream about coming here to study. And for them to get a better understanding of the program, could you tell us a little bit how much the tuition fees for this program for international students are?
Absolutely, I would be happy to. So for international students, the tuition rate for undergraduate students is $824 per credit hour at this moment. And for master's students, the tuition rate will also be $824 per credit hour. This will, in addition to that, to fully disclose so that you can plan properly, there are additional fees per credit hour, which include health insurance costs, some other costs having to do with using the student union, which gives facilities and support to students and so on. But that kind of gives you a general idea. Undergraduate students can take a maximum of 16 credit hours per term at this rate, and graduate students take a maximum of 9 credit hours per term.
Okay, perfect. Thank you for that information. And finally, could you just give you an overall of what a future career for a person that takes this course would look like?
Yes, a future career could look like, for a bachelor's degree, someone would get a job at an industry, potentially run like analyzing samples, like doing forensic work, analyzing samples, looking for particular chemical compounds that would help someone trace and identify. Someone might do environmental work where they test water samples for lead, for compounds which are harmful to humans, other compounds. They might do water reclamation work where they would learn how to convert water that goes down the drain, to water that could be reused for drinking water. They could get a job doing something that's more general in STEM. That's not necessarily chemistry, but general, because they do have the STEM experience. For a master's degree, there are other options. In addition to those, one could be take a leadership role in an industry. One could take a leadership role in some kind of environmental protection effort, like I just listed. One would have the qualifications to teach chemistry at the high school or college level. One could imagine combining this with, we have students who do this, combine this with a business degree, and then start their own business with a master's in some kind of a science and a business degree, and start their own business. I mean, there's lots of different career paths available.
Yeah, that's very good to hear. I believe that all this information is going to be very valuable for the people that are watching us and have interest in this program. And concerning the tuition fees that you just explained to us, how would a student get a financial support from the university to pay for all this tuition and fees?
Yeah, we have several different opportunities for students to help students pay tuition and fees. The first example is that one can apply for what's called a graduate assistant position. And in this position, students will work in the chemistry stockroom, or in the biology stockroom, or another place on campus, and earn a salary per hour salary, somewhere on the order of $15 per hour, and also receive a tuition waiver for one course. So that's a pretty big incentive and aid for students. Another possibility is we have tuition waivers which we grant to students based upon academic merit. So if you are accepted to Northeastern and pursue a master's level degree or bachelor's level degree, we can look at your background and what you have done in the past and award tuition waivers. And then as you continue on through your study at Northeastern, if you do really well, you will then be able to earn more tuition waivers as you go forward. And so these are two ways in which we can right now financially support international students that come to Northeastern and help with the tuition costs and expenses.
Oh, that's very good to know. Thank you for sharing this information. I hope this will be enough to help all of the people that are watching us and have interest in this program. So thank you so much for being here with us and sharing this. And if you have any further questions and want more information, you are very welcome to contact us. We are the official representative of Northeastern University, Illinois, and we have offices in Dhaka, Sylhet, Chattogram, and we have our office in Kathmandu, Nepal. So see you guys with another guest in another meeting. Thank you.